Build wealth with no capital. Secret to success. Imagine starting your journey to financial success with nothing but your skills, determination, and creativity. It might sound daunting, but history is filled with stories of individuals who built incredible wealth from the ground up without a single dollar of initial capital. They didn't wait for perfect conditions or financial backing. Instead, they leveraged what they already had and turned challenges into opportunities. While capital certainly helps, countless success stories prove that anyone can rise from nothing to extraordinary wealth by focusing on creativity, resourcefulness, and determination. In this WealthRise episode, we'll explore the secrets to building wealth without capital. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes or unrealistic promises. Instead, we'll dive deep into practical strategies, mindset shifts, and real-life examples to show you how resourcefulness and determination can overcome financial limitations. Whether you're just beginning your wealth-building journey or looking to level up, this guide will provide the tools and inspiration you need to take that first step. The power of mindset, shaping your future. The journey to wealth begins in the mind. It might sound cliché, but developing a growth mindset is the foundation for success. A growth mindset isn't about being overly optimistic. It's about recognizing challenges as opportunities for growth and failure as a stepping stone to success. 1. Overcoming limiting beliefs. Many people don't start because they believe they can't. Replace "I can't afford to start" with "How can I start with what I have?" Wealth building starts by shifting your focus to solutions rather than obstacles. 2. Long-term thinking. Wealth isn't built overnight. Focus on long-term goals instead of instant gratification. Adopt habits that push you closer to your vision, even if progress feels slow. Case in point, Oprah Winfrey faced significant hardships growing up, including poverty and early career setbacks. However, she adopted a growth mindset, learned from her challenges, and built a media empire. Leveraging your skills. Monetize your talents. One of the greatest assets you already have is your skill set. Whether it's a hidden talent, an acquired skill, or a hobby, there's always a way to turn it into income. Here's how you can make it happen. 1. Identify your skills. Think about what you're good at: writing, crafting, teaching, or even organizing. List your talents and figure out which ones you can monetize. 2. Learn high-demand skills for free. If you feel you lack marketable skills, don't worry. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Khan Academy offer free or low-cost courses on in-demand skills like coding, digital marketing, and graphic design. 3. Platforms for monetization. If you're a writer, start freelancing on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Skilled in crafting? Set up an Etsy shop. Knowledgeable in a specific field? Offer online tutoring or coaching. Success story: Jan Koum, the co-founder of WhatsApp, taught himself programming and built an app that ultimately sold to Facebook for $19 billion. He started with limited resources, but leveraged his technical skills to create immense value. Leveraging technology and free resources. In the digital age, there has never been a better time to build wealth with no capital. Technology allows anyone to access global markets, connect with customers, and scale a business, all from the comfort of home. 1. Social media as a business tool. Build your brand on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Use social media to showcase your skills or products and engage with potential customers. 2. Access free resources. Use free tools like Canva for graphic design, Google Docs for writing, and MailChimp for email marketing. Tap into local libraries or community centers for free workshops and resources. 3. Crowdfunding and partnerships. Platforms like Kickstarter and GoFundMe allow you to raise funds for your business idea without upfront investment. Partner with others who can contribute skills or resources in exchange for a share of the profits. Example: social media influencers often start with just a smartphone and a unique perspective. Many have built million-dollar businesses by leveraging their online presence. Networking, the social capital factor. When you have no financial capital, social capital becomes invaluable. Networking is one of the most underrated methods for building wealth. 1. Build genuine relationships. Attend events, join online forums, and connect with like-minded individuals. People often support those they know and trust. 2. Find mentors. A mentor can provide guidance, open doors, and help you avoid costly mistakes. Reach out to someone you admire and offer to assist them in exchange for learning from their experience. 3. Bartering skills. If you lack money, offer your skills in exchange for what you need. For instance, a graphic designer can create a logo for someone in return for financial advice. Success story. Li Kexing started his career as a salesman and built a business empire through strategic partnerships and networking. His story emphasizes the importance of relationships in wealth creation. Scaling without capital. Once you've taken the first steps, the next challenge is scaling your venture. This process doesn't necessarily require cash. It requires reinvestment of time, energy, and profits. 1. Focus on value creation. The most successful businesses prioritize delivering value over generating immediate profits. The more value you create, the more people will be willing to invest in your product or service. 2. Reinvest in growth. As you begin generating income, resist the temptation to spend it all. Instead, reinvest in tools, education, scaling your operations. 3. Low capital ventures. Here are some ideas for scaling without a lot of money. Affiliate marketing. Promote products for a commission. All you need is an audience. Dropshipping. Sell products without holding inventory. Online courses. Share your expertise with others and create a passive income stream. Example, Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx, started with just $5,000 in savings and no outside funding. She reinvested her profits into growing the brand, eventually becoming a self-made billionaire. Real-life success stories, inspiring the journey. Let's take a moment to reflect on some of the most inspiring success stories of individuals who built wealth from scratch. 1. Howard Starbucks. Despite growing up in public housing, Schultz transformed Starbucks into a global phenomenon. His determination and vision were the driving forces behind his success. 2. Sam Walton, Walmart. Walton started with a single store and focused on providing value through low prices. His customer-first approach turned Walmart into one of the world's largest retail chains. 3. Oprah Winfrey. Oprah's story is one of resilience. From her early days of poverty to owning her media empire, she proves that anyone can overcome adversity with determination and a clear vision. Actionable tips. 1. Create a no-excuses action plan. Step 1. Write down your goals. Be specific. For instance, instead of saying, "I want to start a business," say, "I want to start a graphic design service for small businesses." Step 2. Break the goal into smaller actionable tasks, such as creating a portfolio or reaching out to potential clients. Step 3. Set deadlines. Even without money, time is your most valuable resource. Commit to timelines to ensure steady progress. 2. Join free communities and forums. Find communities relevant to your interests on platforms like Reddit, Facebook groups, or LinkedIn. Engage actively by asking questions, sharing ideas, and building your online presence. These networks can lead to collaborations, mentorship, and even clients. 3. Offer value. First, reach out to potential mentors, collaborators, or even prospective clients and offer them something valuable, for free or at a discounted rate. For example, if you're a designer, create a sample logo for a small business. If you're skilled in social media, propose a free 1-week trial to improve someone's online presence. This builds goodwill, showcases your skills, and establishes trust that could lead to future opportunities. 4. Build a personal brand. Even without capital, your personal brand is a priceless asset. Start by consistency. Use the same name, profile picture, and tagline across platforms. Engaging content. Share insights, tips, and content that resonates with your target audience. Authenticity. Be genuine. People connect better with authentic stories and personalities. Track and celebrate milestones. Start small, like earning your first $50 and celebrate it as a win. Acknowledging small victories will keep you motivated and focused on the bigger picture. 6. Maximize your network's potential. Don't just focus on gaining new connections. Nurture existing relationships. Check in with friends, family, or former colleagues who might know opportunities or partnerships that align with your goals. 7. Stay curious and keep learning. Subscribe to industry blogs, attend free webinars, and follow thought leaders in your niche. Remember, every piece of knowledge and connection you gain today can compound into wealth tomorrow. 8. Adopt a giving mentality. While building wealth, don't underestimate the power of giving back. Volunteering your time or expertise can open unexpected doors and opportunities. Conclusion: building wealth with no capital is a journey fueled by creativity, determination, and action. You've learned practical tips today. Focus on leveraging your skills, embracing free resources, creating valuable networks, and starting with what you already have. Now, we want to hear from you. What steps are you taking today to build wealth? What skills or strategies have worked for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's learn from each other. Don't forget to support us by liking this episode if you found value in it, sharing it with friends and family who might benefit from these insights, subscribing to WealthRise so you never miss an episode of financial wisdom, turning on notifications to stay updated on our latest content. Your support keeps us inspired to create more content that helps you thrive. Remember, you don't need capital to start, you just need the courage to take the first step. Let's rise together, Wealth Risers.